shop the Divine collection from ENL Beauty. This is our limited collection. Order it right now from our website www.enlbeautyng.com.
Hi guys, Linda is immediately here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you've been here, thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be responding to a question from one of my subscribers. Her name is D. She says, hi, is it easier to coil / style a natural straight super double drawn hair, or is it the same as the bone straight hair? Okay, let's respond to this question. So is it easier to style / coil a natural straight super double drawn hair, or is it the same as the bone straight hair? What makes the super double drawn natural straight hair differ from the bone straight hair is that the natural straight hair wasn't processed to be bone straight. So with the natural straight hair, you can wear it as straight, and you can also wear it as a wavy hair. You can coil it. But with the bone straight hair, it was processed to have that very straight look and have that glossy look that the bone straight hair typically has. The problem with the bone straight hair is because it was processed to be bone straight. When you coil your bone straight hair, of course your bone straight hair is going to take the coil, but the coil is going to drop faster, unlike when you compare it to a natural straight hair that was coiled. The coils on the bone straight hair is going to drop faster than the coils on the natural straight hair. Let's say the coils on the natural straight hair last you for about 7 days. The coils on the bone straight hair will probably last you for about 2 to 3 days, or even 1 day before everything drops completely. That's one thing I've noticed. If you want to be able to have your hair extensions where you want to be able to wear it as straight, and you also want to be able to coil it and have the coils last long, I would advise that you buy a natural straight hair. And I think you made mention of the super double drawn hair. Whether your hair is super double drawn, or single drawn, natural straight, you can coil it and the coils are going to last long. Even if the volume of the hair is thicker, it's being super double drawn, the coils are going to last and be good. You're going to have very good long lasting coils because the hair is in its natural state, unlike when you compare it to the bone straight hair that has already been processed to be bone straight. Yeah, I hope this answers your question. Thank you so much, DM, for leaving that question. And to others watching this video aside from D, I hope you got value out of it. If you have a question, leave it in the comment section, and I hope I was able to answer this question properly in a way that you would understand it. If I didn't, let me know, then I'll be glad to clarify better. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember, be bold, have courage, and live a positive life. Check out for my new books that will be coming out very soon. How to start your hair business. If you're going to be starting your hair business in 2023, you need to read this book. Also, how to test the quality of hair extensions. In the hair business, we are constantly looking for the best, the next best vendor, the next best supplier. If you're somebody who likes to test the quality of hair extensions and you're on the lookout to get the best quality of hair extensions that you possibly can, then I recommend you buy my book, Hair Extensions and How to Test Its Quality. This book is going to really blow your mind and enrich you with all of the information you need to know about hair. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye. I love you. Where can you get these books? You can get them from my website, www.enlbeautyng.com. I think I'm also going to have these books available on Amazon for those who want to get the paperback copies of the book. You could go purchase them from Amazon. And for those who just want the ebook, you can buy it from my website and it'll be sent to you in your email. Love you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.